because that same temporary shelter said that for a year, and this is just my memory here, it was in the tens of thousands of dollars for each young person they had there. And I'm looking at what federal funding is, and I'm hearing the number $30 per homeless youth per year. And I'm embarrassed that I'm even sitting here having this discussion, because it is nothing what the federal government is providing. I'm wondering what your other funding sources are and what more we can do, or whether there are other federal programs that overlap that help these kids.
Sure, I think that is really important, because the Runaway and Homeless Youth Act is kind of the anchor point in communities, and that's why every community should have a Runaway and Homeless Youth program. When we have an RHY program, we can then leverage that $3 and $4 to 1 through our state dollars, sometimes, not so much anymore, but occasionally through HUD, through our Workforce Investment Act dollars, through our local homelessness dollars, through private philanthropy, and really create comprehensive services. At Youth Care, each bed for an under 18 young person costs bed, not per child, but each bed that we keep open on each night is about $55,000 a year, because of licensing and licensing requirement, which are critical, and in order to provide a high quality of care, making sure that young person is getting to school, getting to workforce development, doing family reconciliation, having access to mental health and substance disorder treatment. All of that, comes into a basic center in order to meet the developmental needs of young people, and it's really critical. The federal investment needs to be much higher. I'm not going to let everyone off the hook there, but it is only part of the solution, but it does provide the anchor in a community and the philosophy of how we should be addressing these needs in communities.